Good day everyone, I'm going to show you how to assemble and disassemble system unit.
Step 1. Untighten or remove the screws of the side dot cover of system case. Step 2. Remove the HDD. Step 3. Remove the PSUE dot power supply unit. Step 4. Remove the ODD or CD-ROM. Step 5. Remove the motherboard dot. Untighten the screws mounted dot to the case. Then carefully remove the motherboard. Step 6. Unmount and unplug all the parts along the motherboard, including CPU, CPUS, heatsink fan, RAM, and video card. Step 1. Mount all the parts along the motherboard, including CPU, CPUS, heatsink fan, RAM and video card. Step 2. Install the motherboard. Tighten the screws mounted to the case. Step 3. Install the ODD CD-ROM. Step 4. Install the PSU. Step 5. Carefully install the HDD. Tighten the screws mounted to the case. Step 6. Connect all the cables to all components inside the system unit. Step 7. Put the side cover back and tighten the screws.